Hey guys, this is Mallory's Crafty Corner, and today I'm showing you how to make tiles that say Go and Do as a new 2020 theme. So first, get out your tile, which you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot for less than 15 cents. Next, I'm going to prepare my Cricut Strong Grip transfer paper by cutting it into a square about the size of my tile. And once I've peeled it off, I'm going to press it against a cloth, which loses its stickiness, which makes it easy to manage and use. If it's too sticky, it might not transfer if it's too attached to a piece. This is what it looks like. You can set it aside. Next, we're going to get out our pre-cut vinyl, which you can get on the Bo Coco Etsy website, exactly like this one, and we're going to weed it. First, you can just peel off the corner and be very careful as you slowly remove the first layer. Afterwards, you can just remove the excess trash, and now we're going to get started with weeding on the inside of the letters. For the bigger parts, you can just use your hands like this. It's basically like peeling off a sticker. Just make sure to be very careful. You can throw away these pieces or make them into a pile for later. For the more delicate parts or tiny pieces, you can use a needle or a safety pin, anything like that, to just peel it out. Or if you have an actual weeding tool by Cricut, you can use that as well. This part's kind of tricky, but not as tricky as transferring it to the tile. Make sure to be careful because in this process, I ripped many of them and learned from it. Continue to do this, and don't forget you can use the safety pin or needle to peel out the big pieces as well if it works best for you. Here's the finished product, and now put your transfer paper on top of it and smooth out bubbles like these ones. It doesn't really matter as long as the vinyl maintains its shape. Now you can press your finger against it because our goal is to have the transfer paper picking up the vinyl with it, like this. Very slowly pick it up with the paper. Make sure to not rip it. This is another way you can rip the vinyl as well. And now we can get out our tile and stick it on. You can use the lines as a guide to make sure it's on straight. Now you can slowly press this on as well, and once again we're going to put our finger on it to make sure it sticks to the tile this time. So we're transferring it again. This is a very hard task, so that's why we did the towel trick before. Sometimes it can be stubborn and you kind of have to take it off by yourself with your hands, or you have to press objects on it sometimes. Like I was saying, some people don't use the paper and just put each letter on one by one with their hands, so they skip the transfer paper steps. These are the final products. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You can follow me on Instagram at Mallory's Crafty Corner, and you can follow the Bo Coco on Instagram too. Bye!